Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day. Killing it, as always. As you guys can tell, we're at Mpact at Pocono Raceway. Came here in the beautiful sea, and today we're dealing with BMWs type things and not Nismo type of things. But yeah, either way, it's gonna be a good day today. So with that being said, let's go.
Hi, welcome to Low Boost Danny.
Low Boost Danny.
Low Boost Danny, be sure to check out his channel.
What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It's really nice.
Yeah, we did a lot. So this
Yeah.
isn't manifold being made in process.
And just like that, we are in. Check out these beautiful 765 LT in orange, sitting super low, looking beautiful. But here's what's even better. Oh man, if y'all know me right now, y'all know I love my M5s, especially the F90s in green. This color is sick. What? It's awesome. Look at this dude. What up, dude? Chillin'.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm all good. Yo, where do you come from? I go to the other side and just.
Yeah, just come right around.
Got you.
By the M-Light booth.
Yeah, I got you. I see you, bit. Yo. I'm not even gonna say nothing more. I'm not even gonna say nothing for this. Just look at this, man. Look at this. Paul, we love you.
Yeah.
We wish you were here to see this, man. Y'all, check this out. Check out this beautiful M2 with the VT wheels on there. This thing is insane. What? This guy came all the way from Ottawa, another country, bro. What? Just to be here. This is insane. Much props to him. When you're at Mpact, you gotta have a dog log. This is Maui. Hey, bud. Hi.
You gonna look at the scammer, you gonna leave the fog. You gonna give him belly?
I give you a little belly rub. There you go. This guy is beautiful, man. Check this thing out. Carbon fiber fenders, hood, splitter, vents. This guy went all out. Check out this interior. This thing is so sick. Steering wheel, roll cage? Nah, man. I'll give this guy props. I'm gonna give this guy his props, man. For sure. This guy can't play for real. He's really not playing for real. Twin turbo G80? What is this? What the hell, bro? You're on some Frankenstein type shit right now, bro. What the hell? Yo, Joseph, if you somehow see this vlog, this car's for you, my friend. Check this thing out. What? Old school DTM 2002, bro. What is this? Check out this engine bay. Titanium works and everything, bro. You will fall in love with this thing real quick. I know you. Alright. I spotted this gem from like a few feet from Pepper's car. Beautiful 997 GC2. This thing is awesome, man. Right by the Aquapopic exhaust booth. This thing is nice, man. Okay. Yo, check out this beautiful purple G80. This thing is freaking awesome. Look at this, man. Oh, purple with the orange guts. Perfect combo. Perfect combo. Big spoolie boys. Okay, nice. Check this out, man. Y'all thinking it's a regular G80? Nope. Now you tell me. It's freaking sick, man. Look at this. The interior is freaking mint. Updated and everything, bro. Okay. Full Alcantara. This thing's sick. Brand new?
Yeah.
Dude, it's awesome, man.
Thank you. Appreciate
Of course, of course. We are live and direct right now on Pit Road. Got all the cars lined up and everything, bro. What? This is Beamer heaven right now. Sick. Y'all, check this out, man. The G81 Wagon, all the way from England. What's up, man?
Yeah, mate.
Right hand drive too. Look at this. What? Okay. Okay. Look at this guy. Not bad. All right. Check out this beautiful M3 in yellow. Beautiful. That yellow is popping though. What? What, bro? Okay. Nancy, what up, dude?
Bro.
Chun.
We outside.
Yes, sir. This guy with M2. From earlier?
Yeah.
Oh, what's up, man? You good?
How you liking it?
Good so far, you know. Taking it all in, man.
Crazy, right?
I know. What's going on, man? What's going on?
Getting rides?
Not yet. What's up?
Gotta get some rides.
I know. I didn't bring my helmet.
Oh, shit.
I know, bro. I know. See the big one machine there. Watch out, no. What this? You good?
Yeah, Wagon.
Yeah, man. Yeah. G80 entry. Yo, pop your foot real quick. Watch ya, no. Watch ya. Wagon body, man. Watch ya. Looks sick, bro. Looks sick. Yo, we got another M2 over here. With, what was it? VT forged wheels. Looks similar, but yo, this blue is popping, bro. Oh my God. What? All right. Check out the wheels though. Okay. All right. Fire. We are here at the Edelweiss booth, and we got over here another M2 in black with same amount of wheels. Hey, what's going on, bud?
Hey, bud. How you
What's
doing?
going on? Tell us a little about what you got going on here.
We're the company Edelweiss from Germany. This is the first time we're at Mpact. We're specialized on tailor-made wheels for hand-painted cars. So normally we just for the BMW.
Yeah.
So for the old M2, for the old M3, M4, and for the new G series, we have two different styles, 83 and 85, and a total of 15 finishes.
Oh, okay, man. This is beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Of course, man. You guys came all the way from Germany?
Yes.
Wow, man. I've got to go out there. For sure. For sure, man. But nice, man. Check this out, man. Look at all the finishes here. What? Okay, man. You know what? I might have to buy me a set. Hold up. There it is, guys. M5 CS, dude. This thing is awesome. This finish is absolutely beautiful. What is it, matte green? This is matte green with, what is it, bronze wheels? Okay. One more reason why I want an M5 CS. It's awesome, man. Alright, we got a casual E36 M3. Big turbo and everything, bro. Classic and simple power. Classic and simple, but a lot of power. Check this thing out, man. This thing is nice. Woo! I ain't gonna lie, I'm not really a fan of bright purple like that, but this one takes a cake on this F80. This F80 M3 looks good, bro. So sick. Woo! Look at them wheels. Okay, okay. Nice. Alrighty, you already know. Y'all got one of my favorite cars right here. Turbo S in white. The nice wheels and everything. Okay. Subtle but wicked fast, man.
Thank you, brother.
Of course, man. No problem.
Thank you very much.
How much power?
1200.
1200. Okay.
1200 wheel.
Sweet.
Thank you.
Of course, man. Alright, so we got another Turbo S over here. I'm pretty sure y'all remember this one from Shift Sector. This thing did 215 on a half mile. This thing is awesome, man. Look at this. 1400 horsepower to the wheels. That's madness.
A few moments later.
Yo, this guy stayed trolling the whole show, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Why, bro? Why? And there's not a girl driving this, bro. Shame! What is this? No! No! Got another beautiful F90 in blue. That blue is popping, man, with the Boston wheels and black. Alright, alright. I can see myself in this. For real. This is nice. Let's walk down a little bit more. Ooh. F80 M4. Here's what's even better though. Shee. Oh my god, that green is popping in the sun. Alright. R8, twin turbo coming soon. Alright. It's nice. Alright, before I forget, this is one specific car that I really did came to see. G81. Where are you, man? This thing is beautiful. Carbon fiber spoiler, VT forged wheels. This thing is awesome. And the best part, it's a manual. The real M3. This thing is wicked, man. This thing makes around what, 900 horsepower or something like that? Yeah, it's pretty sick. All right, so we got this casual Huracan Technica in purple. Not too bad. Y'all thinking it's a regular Technica, right? Regular Huracan Technica? Surprise! Twin turbo, baby. I'm not too sure how much power though, but not too bad.
A few moments later.
Alright, we just left the track. It's a full-on gas station takeover over here. Got this beautiful Turbo S over here. Looking sick, bro. Of course, man, of course. Look at those wheels, man. In red. Got a nice M5. F90 M5 in blue. It's pretty sick. But this, yes sir. Well, yeah, man, all in all, it was a good day at the track. Got people from Canada, from Germany, from Australia to come here all the way to Pocono Raceway to have a good time, man. But yeah, other than that, it's gonna wrap up the vlog. Hope y'all have a good time. Hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog that I put together. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, guys. I'm out. The proper sauce. If you know, you know, bro. That's it. You don't know already. Yes, sir.